Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Samsung account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly secured and all features are accessible. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Samsung website. Log in using the email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or username in the top right corner of the page and select Account Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Look for the Verification or Security section within your account settings. This is where you can manage your account verification status. Step 4. Review the verification requirements. Samsung may ask you to verify your email address, phone number, or identity documents depending on the account type. Step 5. If email verification is required, check your inbox for a verification email from Samsung. Click the verification link provided in the email to confirm your email address. Step 6. For phone verification, enter your mobile number in the designated field and click Send Code. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your phone number. Step 7. If identity verification is needed, prepare a government-issued ID and follow the on-screen instructions to upload a clear photo of your document. Ensure all information is visible. Step 8. Submit your verification information and wait for Samsung to review your submission. This process may take a few minutes to several hours depending on the verification method. Step 9. Check your email or account dashboard for confirmation that your Samsung account has been successfully verified. You can now access all features available to verified users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.